In this video, I'll show you how you can add a font to Photoshop. So this is very easy, so let me show you what you need to do. So first, we need to find a font that we can add to Photoshop. So to do that, I'm going to be using a website called 1001freefonts.com. You can use any of these websites which you can get free fonts on. I just use this one, but you can scroll down on any of these websites and download specific fonts. I'm going to download this one here, Milky Matcha. I'm going to click download and it should just simply download that font. So you can see it's going to download the zip file, which we can then go and open. Now once you've got it open, you should see the open type font file here. It's always an OTF file. So what you can do is you can double click on that and it's going to open up the font window here. And here all you want to do is you want to go to install and it's simply going to install that font, and that's all you've got to do. So now we can go and close out of that. We can go back into Photoshop, we can write some text, and if we just go ahead and go to the fonts up at the top, we can just search for our font, and as you can see our font is there, and we can then customize this text however we would like. So that's how you can install a font to Photoshop. If it helps you out, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in the next one.